Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with Raksha. Today's topic is very close to my heart. English for introverts.
Raksha, before we start, can I tell you something honestly?
Of course, Lohi, speak freely.
I'm an introvert. I love learning English. I understand grammar, I know many words, but when it's time to speak, my mouth freezes. My heart beats fast. My mind becomes blank.
That's exactly why this video exists. You are not alone, Lohi. Millions of introverts feel the same.
Sometimes people say, you are too silent. You don't talk much. It hurts. I want to speak, but I don't know how to start.
That silence is not weakness, it is depth. Introverts think deeply, observe carefully, and feel strongly. When introverts learn English properly, they become powerful communicators.
Really? I always thought only extroverts can speak English confidently.
That is a myth. Confidence is a skill, not a personality.
Raksha, what exactly does introvert mean?
An introvert is someone who gets energy from being alone or in quiet environments. Introverts think before speaking. They prefer meaningful conversations instead of small talk.
Yes, that is exactly me.
Introverts are not shy by default. They are simply inward focused. But society often rewards loud voices, not thoughtful voices.
That's why in classrooms, meetings, or family gatherings, I feel invisible.
And that invisibility slowly becomes fear. Fear of judgment, fear of mistakes, fear of embarrassment.
Yes, especially in English. If I make one mistake, people laugh or correct me harshly.
That creates emotional wounds. But today, we will heal those wounds.
Why is it harder for introverts to speak English?
There are 5 main reasons.
Tell me.
First, overthinking. Introverts analyze every sentence in their mind before speaking.
That's true. I think, is this sentence correct? Is my pronunciation right? What if they laugh?
Exactly. By the time you finish thinking, the conversation moves on.
Second reason?
Second, fear of judgment. Introverts feel emotions deeply. Even small criticism hurts.
Yes, one bad comment stays in my mind for days.
Third, lack of speaking environment. Introverts avoid unnecessary talking, so practice becomes limited.
I mostly stay quiet at home and outside.
Fourth, perfectionism. Introverts want to speak perfectly, but perfection kills progress.
I wait until I feel ready, but I never feel ready.
And fifth, low self-trust. You know more than you think, but you don't trust your ability. Lohi, let me ask you something.
Yes?
When a baby learns to walk, does the baby fall?
Yes, many times.
Does anyone laugh at the baby?
No, everyone encourages.
Then why do adults laugh when someone learns a new language?
I never thought about that.
Mistakes are signs of growth, not shame.
But emotionally, it still hurts.
That's okay. Healing takes time. We will build confidence step by step. If you are an introvert, your best friend is yourself.
That's true.
Start speaking alone daily.
Like what?
Talk about your day. Talk about what you see. Talk about what you feel.
Example?
Say, today, I woke up at 6 o'clock. I brushed my teeth. I made tea. I felt sleepy but happy.
That feels simple.
Simple is powerful. Fluency grows from simple sentences repeated daily. Lohi, try now.
Okay. Today I woke up late. I felt tired. I drank coffee. I watched my phone.
Very good. Small correction. I watched my phone. No, that is, I used my phone or I watched videos on my phone.
Oh, thank you.
See? Mistake corrected. No fear, no shame. Introverts should master basic sentence patterns.
Like what?
3 golden patterns. Number 1, I am plus feeling. I am happy. I am nervous. I am excited. Number 2, I like or I don't like. I like reading. I don't like noise. Number 3, I want or I need. I want to improve my English. I need more practice.
These are easy but useful.
Speak them daily until they become automatic. Make 3 sentences now.
Okay. I am calm. I like silence. I want confidence.
Excellent, natural and clear. Raksha, I'm still scared to speak in public. Don't jump directly into public speaking. Create safe zones.
What are safe zones?
One trusted friend, one family member, one mirror, one recording app.
I like the mirror idea.
Yes, mirror builds eye contact confidence. Remember this, Lohi. Your quiet nature is not your weakness, it is your strength. When your voice rises, people will listen because it comes from depth.
That makes me feel hopeful.
Good. Hope is fuel. Are you ready to go deeper today?
Yes, Raksha. After our last session, I actually spoke to myself in the mirror.
That's wonderful. How did you feel?
Strange at first, then comfortable. I felt like I was talking to a friend.
Exactly. Your mind needs safety before confidence grows.
But Raksha, when real people are in front of me, fear still comes.
Let's understand that fear.
Why does my heart beat fast when I speak English?
Because your brain thinks English is danger.
Danger? But it's just a language.
Your subconscious remembers embarrassment, laughter, correction, or failure. It activates survival mode.
That explains the shaking voice and sweating.
Yes, but we can reprogram the brain. Before speaking, breathe slowly.
Like meditation?
Yes, inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds.
Let me try.
Good. Calm body creates calm voice.
I always rush because I'm scared.
Slow speech increases clarity and confidence.
But won't people get bored?
No, clear speakers are respected, not rushed speakers. Say this slowly. I am learning English step by step.
I am learning English step by step.
Excellent. Introverts love meaningful vocabulary. Let's learn useful daily words.
Yes, please.
Repeat after me. Calm, peaceful, comfortable, curious, thoughtful, confident, relaxed, focused, patient, grateful.
Calm, peaceful, comfortable, curious, thoughtful, confident, relaxed, focused, patient, grateful.
Now use any 3 words in sentences.
I feel calm today. I am curious to learn English. I am grateful for this lesson.
Beautiful sentences. Let me give you a simple daily system.
I love systems.
Morning, self-talk 5 minutes. Afternoon, read aloud 5 minutes. Evening, record your voice 5 minutes.
Only 15 minutes?
Consistency beats intensity.
I hate hearing my voice.
Everyone does initially. Your voice becomes your power.
Should I listen to the recording?
Yes, observe pronunciation, clarity, confidence.
Small talk is difficult for me.
Use simple templates. How was your day? What are you working on? That's interesting. Tell me more. I agree with you. I'm learning English these days.
These are safe sentences.
Exactly. Safe starts build comfort. Let's practice.
Okay.
Hi Lohi, how was your day?
It was calm. I worked and then rested.
That's nice. What are you learning these days?
I am learning English. I want confidence.
Great. Keep practicing. Every sentence you speak is courage.
I feel lighter when I speak now.
That's growth. Lohi, today we will practice real-life speaking situations.
That's what I need the most.
Good. Let's start with simple daily environments. Imagine you go to a tea shop.
Okay.
I am the shopkeeper. You speak.
Hello. 1 tea please.
Good. Add politeness.
Hello. 1 tea please.
Better. Hello, can I have 1 tea please?
Can I have 1 tea please?
Excellent. You want to ask for a seat.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Perfect sentence. You want to know the price.
How much is this?
Very natural. What if I make mistakes while speaking? Smile and continue.
But people may notice.
Mistakes make you human, not stupid. If someone corrects you, say, "Thank you for correcting me. I am still learning."
That removes pressure.
Confidence is not loudness. Confidence is calm certainty.
Introverts are naturally calm.
Exactly. Use that.
Public speaking scares me.
Start micro. Number 1, speak 1 sentence in a group. Number 2, ask 1 question. Number 3, share 1 opinion. And slowly expand.
That feels achievable.
Pretend we're in a meeting.
Okay.
Ask 1 question.
What is the deadline for this work?
Perfect. Tell a short story about your day.
Today I woke up early, I drank tea, I read a book, I felt peaceful.
Excellent flow. Your voice matters, Lohi.
I'm starting to believe that.
That belief will change your life. Lohi, today we will train your mind to think in English.
That sounds difficult.
Only at the beginning. Right now you translate from your mother tongue to English in your head.
Yes, that slows me down.
Exactly. We want direct thinking. Look around you. Name 5 objects in English.
Table, chair, phone, window, book.
Good. Now describe one object.
The table is brown, it is strong, it is near the window.
Excellent. This trains natural thinking. Answer quickly. No translation.
Okay.
What did you eat today?
Rice and vegetables.
How do you feel now?
Calm and relaxed.
Great. Speed removes fear.
Sometimes I feel nervous emotions block my words.
Name the emotion.
Nervous, shy, unsure.
When you name emotion, it loses power.
Interesting.
Introverts are great at deep conversations.
I prefer meaningful talks.
Ask open questions. Why do you think so? How did that make you feel? What did you learn from that? What would you do differently?
These invite long responses.
Ask me one deep question.
Why do you love teaching English?
Because language gives people confidence and freedom.
That's inspiring. My inner voice says you are not good enough.
Replace it with, I am improving every day. Mistakes help me grow.
I will practice this.
Say this aloud. I am an English learner. I am becoming confident.
I am an English learner. I am becoming confident.
Powerful. Lohi, today we talked about something very important. Not just English, but confidence, courage, and self-belief.
Yes, Raksha. I came here as a silent learner, but now I feel like a growing speaker.
That is the real transformation. English is not about perfection. It is about connection.
I realized that being an introvert is not a weakness anymore.
Exactly. Your silence carries strength. Your voice carries meaning.
I feel brave enough to start speaking every day now.
And remember, small steps daily create big confidence tomorrow.
Thank you, Raksha, for believing in me.
Always, Lohi. And to all our beautiful viewers,
If you are an introvert, don't hide your voice. The world needs your thoughts, your kindness, and your wisdom.
practice just 10 minutes every day. Speak to yourself. Speak without fear. Speak with love.
Yes, friends, don't wait for perfection. Start today.
If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Speak English with Raksha. Comment below. I will speak English confidently.
We believe in you.
See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing, keep shining.
Bye-bye.